What if I told you the tools people are paying hundreds of dollars for every year can now be replaced with AI? For free. No subscriptions, no complicated setups, no expensive licenses, just smart tools doing the same work faster, cheaper, and in some cases, better. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that replace expensive software, and yes, all of them have free options you can start using today. Let's get into it. Most people think they need expensive software to create content, design graphics, edit videos, or write professionally. That used to be true. But in 2026, AI has completely changed the game. Now, instead of learning complex tools, you can simply describe what you want, and AI builds it for you. So let's start with the first one. The first tool replaces expensive writing software and even content teams. And that tool is ChatGPT. Instead of paying for copywriters or spending hours writing, you can generate blog posts, emails, scripts, product descriptions, and even full marketing campaigns in minutes. You just give it a prompt, and it delivers structured, clear, and usable content. It's like having a writing assistant available 24/7. Next, we have Canva. This replaces graphic design software that used to cost a lot and required real design skills. With Canva, you can create social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, ads, and even videos using simple drag-and-drop tools. And now, with AI features, you can generate designs, remove backgrounds, and create entire visuals just by typing what you want. It turns design into something anyone can do. Third on the list is CapCut. This replaces video editing software that used to be complex and expensive. CapCut makes video editing fast and beginner-friendly. You can add captions automatically, apply transitions, edit clips, and even use AI to enhance your videos. For content creators, especially those making short-form videos, this tool can completely replace traditional editing software. Now let's talk about Notion AI. This replaces productivity tools, note-taking apps, and even some project management software. Notion AI helps you write, organize, summarize, and plan your work. You can turn messy notes into structured documents, generate ideas, and manage your workflow in one place. It's like combining multiple tools into a single intelligent workspace. And finally, we have Pictory. This tool replaces video creation platforms and simplifies content production even further. With Pictory, you can turn text into video. You can take a script, blog post, or idea and instantly convert it into a fully edited video with visuals, captions, and voiceover. This is especially powerful for faceless content creators and marketers. Here's the big shift happening right now. People used to rely on tools that required skill and time. Now AI tools require direction. You don't need to master complex software anymore. You just need to know what you want to create. And the AI handles the rest. But here's something important. These tools don't replace creativity. They amplify it. The people who win are not the ones with the best software. They're the ones who know how to use these tools strategically. So if you're still paying for expensive software you barely use, it might be time to rethink your setup. Because in 2026, free AI tools are more powerful than ever. And subscribe for more content on AI tools, automation, and digital growth. Because the future isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with AI.